Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on internet sharing on MacBook Air. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on internet sharing on MacBook Air, click on System Preferences, then click on Sharing. Here you will find an option Internet Sharing, and by default internet sharing is turned off. Click on the checkbox to turn it on. And now, are you sure you want to turn on internet sharing? Click on Start. And now internet sharing is turned on your MacBook Air computer. And share connection is the Ethernet, and two computers using Ethernet is accessible for internet sharing. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.